FTX's implosion has given crypto exchanges a bad reputation. It's hard not to worry about storing your hard-earned money on these platforms in the wake of the company's collapse. But there are still some great crypto exchanges out there with trustworthy leaders and mostly transparent business practices. We'll cover 3 of them in this video. Keep watching to find the best crypto exchanges to use in 2023. Number 1. Binance. Best overall. Binance is a crypto exchange that you really can't go wrong with. It processes more than $10 billion in trading volume every day, which is 10 times more than its closest competitor. Binance also lists a wide variety of assets, so you can invest in more crypto tokens than just Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top altcoins. You'll also be able to invest in low and mid-cap coins, which may have more room for potential upside. Another positive working in Binance's favor is that the exchange supports a wide variety of fiat deposits, 45 as of the time of creating this video. That makes it super easy to get your funds deposited on Binance's exchange, no matter where you come from. Binance is also led by Changpeng Zhao, who is one of the most prominent voices in the crypto community. CZ gives the company a level of credibility that many other exchanges lack. Put simply, Binance is the gold standard for crypto exchanges, and trends don't show that changing anytime soon. If you're looking for a safe exchange with a lot of benefits, Binance may be the best way to go. Number 2. Coinbase. Best for US residents. Binance is our top pick for the international community, but it's not something that US residents can use due to legal restraints. If you're from the United States, then Coinbase may be your best option. Coinbase is one of the most transparent exchanges out there. It works hard to comply with regulators and has never faced any credible accusations of shady behavior. This makes it a highly trustworthy exchange that you can feel safe using long term. The main drawbacks of using Coinbase are the platform's high fees and limited crypto asset listings. The fees can be annoying, but US investors will only be able to choose from a limited number of crypto assets no matter which exchange they use. When you put it all together, Coinbase stands out as the top-rated options for US citizens. It's not perfect, but you'll still be able to buy major crypto assets and store them on the exchange without having to worry about financial misdeeds, thanks to the company's transparency. Number 3. Bybit. Best for up-and-coming crypto tokens. If you'd prefer to invest in new crypto assets that aren't always listed on major exchanges, then Bybit may be the right choice. This exchange lists a ton of assets, so you should be able to find all of the coins that you're interested in. Bybit also has a very active futures trading platform. You can trade crypto assets with leverage to increase the size of your wins and potentially your losses, so be careful. But it's a nice feature in Bybit's favor if that's how you like to invest in crypto. The exchange was founded in 2018 and has done a good job of protecting its users' funds since then. That doesn't guarantee a similar level of safety in the future, but it shows that Bybit is at least trying to do the right thing. Consider withdrawing to a hardware wallet. Regardless of which of these platforms you decide to use, it's a good idea to withdraw your crypto assets from the exchange and onto a hardware wallet. You never know what can happen, as shown by FTX. The only way to completely protect your assets is to store them on an independent device that no one else can access without your seed phrase. That kind of security only comes from a hardware wallet. Just keep in mind, you will be responsible for your own security, so if that's not something you're confident with, keeping your crypto on an exchange is an okay backup option as long as you choose a trustworthy one. What do you think about these crypto exchanges? Which one is your favorite? Comment your answer below to let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.